of freedom. He rose like the lion of Africa. Colonel Abdisa, we salute you. This one's for the youth. Whoa. Whoa. Rise up, Abdisa, freedom fire in your soul. Rise up, hero of the world. Wave that flag in Rome, let the lion roar. Rise up, Oromia's gold. Born in the heart of Walaga, young but bold, joined the fight at 14 years old. Captured in battle, but his spirit never broke. From a cage in Sicily, the lion awoke. He broke the chains, escaped the night, turned prison pain into freedom fight. Fought with partisans from many lands, an African warrior with burning hands. Rise up, Abdisa, freedom fire in your soul. Rise up, hero of the world. Wave that flag in Rome, let the lion roar. Rise up, Oromia's gold. He marched with the brave through fire and rain, struck the fascists, broke their chains. From Rome to Berlin, his name was known, an almost soldier with the heart of stone. Offered medals and foreign might, but he came home to keep the fight. Even when they tried to tear him down, he stood tall, wore his country's crown. Rise